Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a simple, easy and quick granny square earring pattern. This project is perfect for beginners and can be completed in no time. First of all, we will look into the things needed. I'm going to be using cotton yarn size 8, the 1.5mm steel crochet hook, 2 hook ear wires, 2 eye pins, 6mm jump rings, 2 of them, glass beads to decorate the earrings, the yarn needle, pair of scissors, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers and wire cutters. These are the things required. If you are interested in the materials I'm using, check out the affiliate links in the description box below. Using those links helps support my channel at no extra cost to you. So let's get started. Start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then we will insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. In the first round, chain 2, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. We are going to consider this bit as the first double crochet of the round. We will work 2 more double crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. After that, work 3 more double crochets into the magic ring. One, two, and 3. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2, and then I'm going to pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller like so, and continue to work 3 more double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2, and work 3 more double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2, and then I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring and work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point to join the round. So insert the hook into the third chain from the starting point over here, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first round of the work. And get started with round 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches. So we will work 1 double crochet on top of the first double crochet here, and then work another double crochet on top of the next double crochet here. Now we have the chain 2 space at the corner, so we are going to work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and another 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. So let's get started. Work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, again chain 2, 1, 2, and work 2 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space, 1 and 2. With that we have completed the corner. Then work 1 double crochet on top of each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now complete the next corner by working 2 double crochets, chain 2 and another 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2 and 2 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space, 1 and 2. Then again work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then we will complete the next corner. Work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and another 2 double crochets into the corner, 1, 2 and then chain 2, again another 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. And then work 3 double crochets on top of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now this is the last corner of the round. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and another 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, 1 and 2. With that we have completed the second round as well. We will go into the third chain from the starting point to join. So insert the hook into the third chain from the starting point, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the second round. And start round 3 by chain 1 and then work a single crochet into the very same stitch. So insert the hook into the very same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Again work one single crochet into each one of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. With that we have completed 5 single crochets on this side, and then we are going to work 5 single crochets at the corner here into the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then work one single crochet into each one of the next 7 stitches on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then complete the next corner. There we need to work 5 single crochets into the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again on this side we are going to work one single crochet into each one of the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this is the next corner. There we need to work 5 single crochets as well into the chain 2 space here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now work one single crochet into each one of the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then again work 5 single crochets at the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are left with 2 stitches on this side. There we need to work one single crochet on each one of the stitches. 1 and 2. This is what we have completed so far, and then work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the third round. Then we will leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. And then use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project like this. Now we can pull the corners of the work by using the crochet hook like this to make it a perfect square. Like so. And you can just repeat the same pattern to complete the next motif as well. Now we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. I'm going to take the eye pin and make the eye a little bigger like this because the hole of my beads are a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make another loop on the other side that is also a bit bigger because of the big hole. And before we close the loop, I'm going to slide the hook ear wire also in and close it up. After that, take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers and insert the motif like this, and then we will join that to the loop here. Now we have completed the earring. Just like that, we are going to complete the other one as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these simple and quick granny square earrings. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet and DIY tutorials. Don't forget to check out the description box for the affiliate links for all the materials I used today. Your support helps keep this channel going. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, leave a comment below. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.